whole idea of this whole idea of cost capture, of understanding what does it really cost us to do on the project. Now, I would say up until maybe 5-6 years ago, for many firms, this wasn't necessarily happening. I kind of speak from personal experience with not only some of the firms I've worked with and worked for, but many that I've talked to, is most of the time we were doing the project, all anybody cared about was, is the client happy and is the project on time? As a firm, we're making money. We might make more money on some projects and lose money on other projects, but it's averaging out. So as a firm, we're making money. And as the economy started to squeeze, as competition started to increase, as the idea of, well, we might lose money on this project, but we'll make it up on the next one, that started to go away. So we started asking ourselves questions on, well, what does it really cost us to do the project? What are we charging the client for this project? And what is it actually going to cost us? I remember talking with our president at one point with a company I worked for, and we got into this big debate, and he used to do the quoting. So as the kind of president / owner of the firm, he did the quoting for every job that, if a customer came in, how much to do this, he would do it. And he always just threw out a number. He never had a clue, and he used to say, I don't even know what it really costs to do that, but that feels right. And that's what we would do, and we would execute a project around that. We would get done. The client was happy. We finished on time. That's where we moved on. But now we really want to understand these costs and what's going into this, not only for this specific project so it's profitable, so that we can learn. Okay, well, the next time this kind of job comes along, we could track the cost and say, you quoted that at $50,000. It cost us $60,000. So the next time, quote it at $70,000. As everything started to squeeze, now every project had to be profitable. So we had to be able to track the cost of the project in that bucket. How easy is it for us to allocate expenses to the project? How easy is it for us to know, if there's materials or purchase orders or anything that's going towards the project? How easy is it for us to capture that?